Meteorology is the study of weather. We all study weather each day when we step outside and wonder if it will be rainy, chilly, or hot. Meteorologists study weather patterns to understand and predict the weather. When meteorologists are studying the weather, they need to observe what it is doing. To measure the weather, they use these tools: a hygrometer, barometer, wind vane, anemometer, thermometer, a rain gauge, even a notepad and a pen. The anemometer measures the wind speed. The rain gauge measures the amount of rain that has fallen. The thermometer measures temperature, or how hot or cold it is. And the weather vane shows the direction of the wind. Every day when you wake up, look outside your window. You can see different kinds of weather: windy, rainy, stormy, sunny, cloudy. During these next few weeks, observe the weather. Look outside your window and mark each day what the weather is. Tools for measuring the wind sit at 33 feet above the ground. Anemometers measure the wind speed by counting how fast the cups spin around, and a weather vane spins around to show the direction the wind is coming from. Act like a meteorologist. Your STEM challenge today is to build an anemometer to measure the wind speed. Gather your supplies. You will need Dixie cups, a push pin, straws, a base to hold up a pencil that has an eraser on top, and a hole punch. If you don't have an item like a hole punch or a push pin, use what you have on hand. Let's get started. For the base, I used an old container that I filled with water and I decorated it. I added a hole to the top of the container so I could put my pencil in. The eraser needs to be facing up. Then you're going to put your holes in your Dixie cups and add them to the pencil with the straws and your push pin. Your push pin should be through the two straws on top and into the eraser of the pencil. Don't push down too hard or it will not spin. You want to add the 4 cups to all of the straws. Using your hole punch to create the holes, try not to make them too big. We made that mistake. Make sure all your cups are facing the same way and that your push pin is not in too tightly, or else it will not spin. There are many weather tools that you can make at home. Today we worked on an anemometer. Remember, it measures the speed of the wind. We tested our anemometer and the cups were moving around because the holes were too big. A part of STEM is science, and in science we do experiments. We decided to change our cups and make sure they were more in place and change the height to higher. It worked much better. Take a look here and see a real anemometer and wind vane. They are working together to measure the wind and point the direction the wind is going. Thanks for joining the Fairmount Community Library Learning Lab Week 1 Weather. Show us how your anemometer turned out.